Hi everyone, this is Ayush Jaswal and I am making an explanation video of internal test 1 part C question 11 of data processing in student feedback analysis where where the question is explain the concept of outliner in the context of students feedback and discuss the three outliner detection method and three data smoothing techniques commonly used in learning analytics. So what is outliners? Outliners are the extreme or unusual ratings that deviate significantly from the majority. It outliners assume that there is a data set where the data is given between 1 to 10 and they are allowed to give and they have allowed to give data out of 10 also, but they compute data in the range of 1 to 10 only. So if someone will give 90 or 80 something, then the 90 is termed as outliner, that is too away from the original range of data. That data types are called outliners. Here we have mentioned the example also that 999 students rate 80 to 95% and one gives 5. We have seen this in our question 9 also, this same example. Now three outliner detection methods are interquartile range method, that it sees outside and where it is rating, we can see that's there also. Yes, and we are outside quartile 1, quartile 3, and we calculate it. And for example, we have given a rating which is greater than 30 and less than 110, most commonly common and robust method. And Z score. Z score is where the formula is value minus mean divided by standard deviation. It is always greater than 3. So Z index will be from 40 to 4.2 to outliner. So so there is normally distributed data. Third method is domain rules. It works as logical boundaries and its example is where rating is greater than 100 and or less than 1. It is best for fast validation. Now we can see this. For three data smoothing techniques are: first, bin means. This replace value with a bin average, where bin is from 0 to 33 and min is 18. All becomes 18 according to the mean. And its advantages, it is very simple. And bin median, where replace with bin median, and bin is from 0 to 33 but median is 15, so all become 15. It is more robust method. And third method is bin boundaries. This replace the nearest boundary, where value is 80 becomes 20. We can think as we can think it as a round off method. And in 7th we will see some examples where we have given a data set and the outliner is 5 and 98 and the data set lies between 12 to 95, and we are considering 5 and 98 as an outliner. So after bin median, the data will be converted. Values are given in 5, 12, 15, 18. The bin median will be 15 for 0 to 33, and in 67 to 100 the bin median will be 92. Strat You can write this in exam like this, where detect outliners using interquartile range method, best for skewed rating. Decide where remove or cap. Smooth using binning by median. Always show original clean data of faculty. And more for good answers, where outliners are extreme value deviating significantly. Detecting methods are interquartile method, where we find quartile 1, quartile 3, and Z score method. And third method is domain rules. And smoothing techniques are binning by mean, binning by median, and binning by boundaries. Binning by boundaries is same as round off, where if there is 18 it will be round off as 20. thank you everyone, and our next video will be on data transformation and discretization. So please watch that also, and if you like this video, like, share and comment.